First of all, thank you for letting me speak for my own people, because whatever the situation is going here, it is very heartbreaking. And as being a Karbi girl, I will definitely support my Karbi people. And the main reason is people are demanding for the eviction of the illegal settlers who are residing in PGR and VGR areas. So this is to be clear that this is not communal clash or it is not against any religion or tribe, but it is just a demand for the eviction of the illegal settlers who are residing on the PGR and VGR areas. And after the incident that happened in Karbi, that is really heartbreaking. The situation is like, if it is this much serious, then there is no future for our youth. I'm here to support, and yes, in my last, I will keep supporting, and we will not step back until we have the order of eviction. Thank you.
Sita bangjok ka perpanduran ke bangunan.
Long lên đang thiệt long anh long lên đang thiệt long sớm mình đi cả lực cả để khi cái chim hòn lo khi tụi mình đi suy big lo so join us mình tập ini kada ang kang ni lo si xong các lúc này tụi mình chỉ bắt đúc pick cái mang tụi mình chuẩn bị của sini
kalang churolo apu media bitung utung phan labang solam nili phanang karjo pot kalang lo ili tum chi theklong lor lo jela da pini da kosong se chingrum nang ko make wangbom aprang pe nili tum ko anu ni chpaduk bom stami nili lan bang ke theklong lelang stami non dak pini nili ke bang jui manang ke dudun mate ke bang alam the bang ke mithang hem hongkup si ili tum phan ili tum korte tum phan stami la lahai longle alam si ili tum hananga tengkheng bolote ili tum apirthe adim yong selang ili tum lason naga tengkheng ben ili tum da chicha kone laso ka chicha kone si labangso arait justice ke long nang je phan stami nili da ningpung pik si dak naga chi song phan ke bang lo la pen hok labangso justice long le tik nili tum ke sangse nili stame sangse ki thije phan ke nili ge ready lo sitame labangso arait pupi manon nili tum kadiman las bangso bang ili tum chun vek nang po la pen chirot kut pen kaduk we same labangso kachi song mageng ton pon pelu busin ning chi the la pen labangso kachi song long ili tum chun vek po busin nil dame ning chi thelo so thank you cholo